Okay, guys, for our phonics lessons, pages 173 and 174, let's look at the top here, and we're going to see that this squirrel here has a bunch of acorns, and each acorn has a different blend in it. The first one has BR, which says bruh. The next one has TR, which says tr. Then we have SM, which says sm. We have GL that says gl. FL that says fl, and DR that says dr. So at the bottom here we have pictures, and we have to figure out which one of these blends is going to go with each picture. Well, as you can see, I've already begun. And the first picture is tree. The blend that goes with tree is TR. So I wrote a T and an R. Not very well. I'm going to go ahead and X out the TR because I'm not going to use the TR again. The next picture is a globe, so I need to figure out which blend globe starts with. I hear the G, ooh, so it's the GL, so I need to write the G and the L, and then I need to X that out. Globe. Here I have a picture of a bride. Bride. Bride begins with brr, brr. The brr sound is made by B, R, and I can mark those out. Next, I have a picture of a flag. At the beginning of flag, I hear a fl, fl. That is the FL that says fl. So I need to write the F and the L, fl. And I can mark that out. Then I have smile, sm, sm, S, M, smile. My last picture is drum, and the only acorn I have left is the DR. So that's D. Dr, drum. Okay, down here they want me to figure out which letter completes each word, and I have to just color in the dots. So the first one I have an E or an O. I know that this word is going to have a vowel that says its name because it has the magic E on the end, which is going to make whatever goes right here say its name. So it could either be jeek with an E or joke with the O. Jeek is not a word, but joke is a word, so I need to color in the O. Joke. All right, the next one I have that E on the end again. The E will make this vowel here say its name. Is it reeb with the E or robe with the O? Well, reeb is not a word and robe is, so I need to color in the O. Here, I only have one vowel. I have the Q and the U, which we know you'll never find a Q without a U. So those two go together and they say qu. Then I only have one vowel. So these vowels are going to say their short sound. And then I have the CK at the end. And I know the rule with the CK at the end is that it comes after a short vowel sound. So is this going to be quick or quick? Well, to me, quick makes much more sense. So I'm going to choose the I. All right, on page 174, they've given us 3 sentences. It says, choose the word that completes the sentence. Write the word in the blank, and then you color the picture. So I have 3 sentences here, and these are my choice of words. The first one is bike. That I says its name, the E is silent. The second one is cast. Only one vowel, the A gets a short sound, and this one only has one vowel too, and it's leg. Bike, cast, leg. So those are my choices. So let's read the sentences. The first sentence is, Tim fell off his bike, cast, or leg. Well, obviously bike makes the most sense, so I need to write the word bike. Tim fell off his bike. All right, the next one. He, ooh, this word's long. Oak broke his, did he break his cast or his leg? Well, you can't break your cast, probably. Leg makes more sense, so I'm going to choose leg. He broke his leg. Then the last one, he has on a, well, look at that. He has a cast on, so I need to write the word cast. C-A-S-T. I don't need to make a period in any of these because they've given me the period at the end. All right, so now you can go ahead and color the picture.